Hello everyone. Welcome to a new video from Knowledge Be Happy Learning, your learning destination. Today's presentation is about transitioning from a developer role to a business analyst and understanding how this career shift can open up new growth opportunities. Many professionals from development background eventually reach a point where they want broader business exposure, more stakeholder interaction, and involvement in solution planning instead of only doing the coding and the technical implementations. A developer already possesses strong analytical thinking, problem solving capability, technical understanding, and system knowledge. These skills become a strong foundation for becoming an effective business analyst. The transition is not about leaving technology behind. It is about combining technical expertise with business understanding to create better solutions and deliver more value. In this presentation, we will compare both the roles, discuss the advantages and challenges, and understand the practical steps required to move from a developer role into a business analyst career path. Now let's shift to the next portion. Let us first understand the key differences between a software engineer and a business analyst. A software engineer or a senior software engineer or a developer mainly focuses on designing, developing, testing, and maintaining the applications. Their primary responsibilities include coding, feature development, performance optimization, and technical problem solving. They work closely with the technical teams and are deeply involved in implementation and delivery. On the other hand, a business analyst focuses on understanding the business requirements, identifying business problems, and ensuring that the right solution is delivered. A business analyst acts as a bridge between the business stakeholders and technical teams. They gather requirements, conduct discussions, create documentations, validate solutions, and help align technology with the business goals. From a growth perspective, developers often move towards the technical lead, architect, or engineering manager roles. Business analysts can move towards a lead PA, product owner, product manager, consultant, solution architect, or the strategy roles. Now, let's discuss the pros and cons of both the career paths, or might be the advantages and the challenges, if not the cons. Starting with the developer or the software engineer, some major advantages which includes are it's a high demand in the market because of the changing technologies they work on, strong technical depth, opportunities to work on advanced or the emerging technologies, clear technical growth paths such as an architect or a technical lead, and then competitive salaries or perks. However, there are some challenges also. High delivery pressure and tight deadlines, production support and on-call responsibilities are there. There is a constant need to learn the new technologies and sometimes less exposure to business strategies and decision making. Now, let us take a look at the business analyst role. The advantages includes better exposure to business processes and strategy decision making, strong interaction with the clients and the stakeholders, skills that are transferable across the domains and industries that can be learned, opportunities to move into product management and consulting roles, broader understanding of the business operations. But then there are challenges as well. One need to have an excellent communication and stakeholder management skills, should be able to manage conflicting requirements which are difficult at times. Success depends heavily on the clarity of communication, less direct involvement in coding and technical implementation, which are sometimes tied or totally depends on the dev team or the developers. So ultimately, both roles are valuable. The choice depends on the personal interest, whether someone enjoys solving technical problems deeply or enjoy solving business problems and driving solution strategy. Now let's come to the final slide of the deck. Finally, let us understand how a developer can successfully transition into a business analyst role. There are various steps. So starting with step one is building the business knowledge. A developer should learn or start learning business processes, SDLC methodologies, agile practices, and how organizations operate from a business perspective. Step two is improving the communication skills. A BA spends significant time interacting with the stakeholders, conducting requirement discussions, and documenting solutions. Active listening, presentation skills, and structured communication becomes very important. Step three is learning the various BA tools and techniques. This can include requirement gathering, preparation of the BRD and the FRD documents, preparation of use cases and review of them, making or preparing process flow diagrams, wireframes, mockups, able to use various tools like Jira, Confluence, Visio, SQL, and Power BI at times are helpful. Step 4 is about gaining the practical exposure. A developer can start by participating in requirement discussions, helping with solution design, working with product owners and BAs, or handling small BA responsibilities within the existing projects. Finally, step 5 is about upscaling and going for various certifications. Some of the certifications can be like CBAP, CCBA, Agile BA, Product Owner certifications. This can strengthen their transition journey. Finally, the most important point is a developer mindset is not a weakness. It is actually a major strength for becoming a powerful business analyst because the technical understandings combined with business thinking creates highly effective professionals. Thank you. That's it for today. Hope you have liked it. Do follow Knowledge Be your learning destination for more such technical and learning videos. Thank you again.